This narration from Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha recounts an incident where Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam called his daughter Hazrat Fatima, may Allah be pleased with her, and engaged in a private conversation with her. During this conversation, Hazrat Fatima, may Allah be pleased with her, crying. Hazrat Fatima, may Allah be pleased with her, started crying. When the Prophet ﷺ consoled her and spoke with her again, she began to laugh. Later, Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha asked Hazrat Fatima, may Allah be pleased with her, about the conversation, and Hazrat Fatima, may Allah be pleased with her, explained that the first time the Prophet ﷺ spoke with her in private, he informed her about his impending death. This news made her cry. When he spoke with her again and told her that she would be the first from his family to join him after his death, she found solace and laughed in anticipation of being reunited with him in the hereafter. Musnad Ahmad, Hadith number 23387.